It is like 5 o'clock and we are preparing to be on our way to get the VIP bus all the way to Kumasi. 4 hour drive on a coach. We're gonna see how it goes. I'm bringing you guys along with us. Wish us luck. Usually we take the car, but my uncle's too tired. This is all we're taking, one meaty suitcase, and then that's like gifts for other people. I'm bringing my backpack. I never go anywhere without my backpack. Stay tuned, guys.
guy got upset when he was getting our luggage. I have no idea why he was upset. Now,
We just got to the hotel. We're staying at a Kogia hotel. I think that's how I say it, I'm not sure. But believe, my mom just tried to draw the curtains because it was too dark, and look at what happened. The thing just fell apart. Can you imagine? So now we don't have a curtain. But let me give a room tour. The TV's on the wall, the bed's there. They don't give like a blanket with the bed, which is something that we use, so that's a shame. And the room comes with AC. And this is the room. This is the bathroom. We paid 120 cedis for this room. We're only staying for one night anyways. This is the view of Kumasi. Oh, you can't really see because it's blown out, but the view looks very rural. It's giving me town vibes. Very nice, very nice. Stay tuned. We left the hotel and we're on our way to visit my grandma-in-law. And look at what we're riding in. It's like one of them cart things that they have in West End. Mommy, how long have we been in this cart thing?
about 10 minutes.
About 10 minutes. So I'm having a blast, but my mum doesn't like it.
You don't like it, do you?
I guess next time we'll just get a taxi, but I think it's really fun. It's the next day, and yesterday all we did was go visit our family in Kumasi, and then we came back to the hotel and slept. I've been hearing chickens fighting all night, and that I don't mind because, I mean, we're in Ghana, of course. So what I do mind is disgusting bathrooms like this. Like, this is the soap label. And as you can see, people, when they've come, they've gone and stamped the whole... Oh my gosh, mommy, that spider has gone. Hey, is it right on the door? No. Look at how big this spider is. Hey, it's even underneath. It's there, look at his leg. No, I hate spiders. Anyways, this dirty bathroom, it smells. There's weird holes everywhere on the wall. I think there's even one here which used to be a plug. The whole thing is just, it's not pleasant. Compared to where we stayed when we first came, this, I'm afraid, it's not nice. And even inside the toilet, it's like, the water's just constantly yellow, so we don't know if the bowl was stained or what's going on there. Even my mum just said like the whole bathroom just smells of poo. The whole room is smelling. They've got damp up there. And look, people have come and just stamped the soap labels everywhere. Everywhere, everywhere. This place is like a bando. Even my mum had to request for extra bed sheets so that we can cover the original bedding, which was just like, what sheet did they have on it? Just a regular sheet. On the mattress, no blanket. On the mattress and no blanket. Obviously we're used to sleeping with blankets, so an extra bed sheet would have been nice. So we requested for 2, then we covered all of the bedding and the pillows because there was weird stains, and then we slept with the extra blanket. We only are staying for one night, and to be honest, I'm glad because this room isn't the best. And even there's no Wi-Fi, but that I understand, but at least just have the room clean and presentable. This room was not clean or presentable. Right now, we're getting ready to check out, but then we're gonna go straight to church. And then after church, we'll go back to Accra. So, see you guys in church. We've just finished church and now we're on our way to catch the VIP because I was looking for flights and all the flights are sold out, so now we have to get VIP yet again. So it's going to be a long night for us. See you on the VIP. Exactly. They're just criminals. So we finally made it onto the coach. It's been such a catastrophic hour. When we were in the taxi on the way to the coach, we actually got in a car crash. Some lady bumped into us on my side. It was a minor car crash, but still. And then afterwards, when we got here, these coach people are such crooks. They told us that we were getting a specific coach, which has bigger seats, spacious seats like this one, but they lied and we ended up in a coach that had really small seats and was just like an economy coach. But I ended up arguing with the uncles and it was a big thing, and then money got ripped. They tried to blame me. Long story short, my mum took the money back and then we went to buy new tickets for a more spacious coach, which is where we are now. So now we're just waiting for the coach to fill up and then we'll leave. So see you guys.
Why do you like those things like that?